So today we're looking at a 1993 Chevy Camaro official pace car for the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. We're with Jim, and Jim, I just noticed, I was about to introduce you, and I just noticed, is that Mario Andretti?
No, that's Emerson Fittipaldi.
Oh, Fittipaldi, okay.
He won in 1993.
Oh, really?
Since 1936, if you win the 500, you get a pace car as part of the prize package.
Okay.
So he has one of these.
Oh, really? Okay. I saw it ended in an I, and I thought Mario Andretti, but I forgot about Fittipaldi. And what engine is in it, Jim?
It's an LT1 275 horse.
Okay. Which back then was a pretty big deal.
Correct.
And how does it move?
Runs pretty good.
Yeah. And how long have you had it, Jim?
I got it brand new in 1993.
Oh, really?
31 years.
Wow. Oh, and you got lights on. I don't know how it'll show up with the video because of the way they flicker.
Sure.
How many miles are on it?
Just a little over 9,000.
Wow. So you don't take it out much at all.
No.
And is it essentially stock the way you got it?
Completely stock.
Yeah. Wheels and tires and interior. I see you got seat covers on it.
No, those are factory.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the interior is special design. It has stripes that match the outside.
Holy cow. I looked at it at a glance and I thought you had put slip covers over it to protect it.
Now, if you look at the door panels, they go from black to white also.
Yeah.
But that's factory on all 93 pace cars.
Holy cow. It shows, I guess I never paid attention. That's pretty impressive. I'm glad you mentioned that. And it's a Z28 automatic. And what drew you to the car to begin with?
Well, I collect pace cars. I have 6 Camaro pace cars and 2 pace trucks.
Oh, wow.
I work at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in the pace car program for 23 years now.
Holy cow. And you're still working with them?
Yes, I was there last weekend.
Oh, really? And was getting that license plate difficult, or because of your position, was it a little easier?
Well, it's part of the car.
Oh, is it really?
Since all the cars look the same,
yeah.
They have the pace car plate is numbered to match the car, along with the keychain and the number on the windshield. That way you don't have to go to 50 some odd cars and take the keys and see which car fits which key fits which car.
Yeah. And so I'm sure you take a lot of razz, and when people say car 54, where are you?
A little bit, yeah.
The older guys.
Yes.
Yeah. And do you mind if I open the door?
No, I don't mind.
Yeah. Well, man, I'm glad I asked you about this car, because I just took so much for granted. That is really slick.
I actually let Chevrolet borrow my 69 Camaro pace car.
Okay.
For the whole month of May in display in 1993 inside the track.
Yes.
In return, I got to buy this car. This is a track car.
Yeah. Wow. And that 69 is so beautiful.
It'll be here in a couple weeks.
Okay. I'll have to come back for that one. And this interior is amazing. So what is your favorite thing about this particular pace car?
The color combination. I like the color combination.
Okay.
It's one of the few two-tone pace cars ever made.
Yes. And what is your favorite pace car out of the, I guess, 8 you have?
My 69.
Yeah.
I have 6 Camaro pace cars and 2 pace trucks.
Okay.
But my 69 is my favorite. I've had it 49 years.
Wow. And how many years have you been involved with the Indianapolis Speedway?
23.
Okay. And years ago, I don't know how long ago, maybe 10 years ago, I don't know if it was a Good Guys, but we were able to get out on the track and drive on the Speedway.
Oh, I've done that many times.
I bet you have. And this is really a unique vehicle. Have I left anything out that's really unique that people should know?
Not really.
And you
have it's got a RPO code B5A, the two-tone paint, the white wheels, the interior, the T-tops. They only made one 6-speed car, and that was owned by Jim Perkins, general manager of Chevrolet. They made 625 of them. and 624 automatics, and one 6-speed car.
Wow. $22,880.
That's the window sticker, yeah.
And any significance of the number 93 flag lot?
Well, it's 1993 is the year.
Okay.
And then if you look below that, there's a number 54 that matches the car number.
Yeah. And has that been on the windshield the whole time?
Since day one.
Holy cow.
Yeah, if you look at the other pictures over there, there's the one picture is all the festival cars on the flag lot at the Speedway.
Okay.
The other picture is this car going around the track, race morning.
And any fascinating or interesting stories about the Speedway that most people wouldn't know about? That because of your involvement you would be aware of?
Well, like I said, since 1936, if you win the 500, you get a pace car.
Okay.
And they've had a pace car every year since 1911. Each year they pick a different car.
Okay.
So it's not always a Camaro.
Yes.
There's been Studebakers, Fords, Packards, Duesenbergs, HCS, Premier. Those have all been pace cars at the Speedway.
Oh, I just noticed the kind of like a military aircraft where you have that flip.
That's for the strobe lights.
Okay. And you got a place for your cassettes. So you have 4 pace cars and 2 trucks. What are your trucks?
I have 6 pace cars.
Oh, I'm sorry.
2 trucks.
Okay.
I have a 67, 69, 93, 2011, 2000, and a 97. And the truck I have is a 2002 and a 2018.
And are they all GM or?
Yes, they're all Chevrolet products.
Okay. That's interesting. Well, Jim, thank you so much for sharing your car and telling us the story behind your car. And anything else you want to say before we wrap things up?
Nope, that's it. That's about it.
Okay. I do want to hit the strobes one more time. They're pretty interesting, and I'll go around the front and hit those again. And it came that way with the strobes.
Yes.
That must have looked pretty cool with out on the track with all of them out there.
Correct.
With the strobes going. Well, thank you again, Jim, and please enjoy the rest of the show as well as your beautiful car.
Thank you.